Finally put batteries in here, so now I can actually hear it. Before, the battery was low, so I bought some cheap AAA batteries and replace. Oops. Okay. So we're gonna look at what the buttons do. So 3, 2, 1. If you do this, back. This one's open. Oops, accidentally pressed that, but this doesn't do much. And then when you place it in, okay. Oops, I clogged up before transforming. That's not right. Okay, so the CSM belts are practically made for adults. My waist is about 34, so I can't really fit any of the DX belts. So turn this on. Henshin. Cast off. Okay, left one thing out. Is this one.